Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode and change themes on your Motorola Edge 60 Neo. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings. Now in these settings, we're going to go over into display. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of settings, but we're interested in the dark theme. So here we can easily enable the dark theme, as you guys can see. Now we can disable it, enable it, doesn't really matter, we can do everything here. And if you want to change your theme, you can go over and simply hold your finger here. As you guys can see, you have personalize, and here you can change a lot of stuff. So here we have the themes, we can change the default, Moto, Seaway, Honey, Merle, and a lot more. Now as you guys can see, that's how it works. It looks pretty okay, I cannot lie, but I'm really used to the default one. And that's how you guys can easily enable the dark mode and change the themes. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.